In this video, I'll show you how to change your phone number in Binance. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log in to your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because changing your phone number is part of your account security settings. Once you are logged in, go to your profile or account menu. On the mobile app, you can usually tap the profile icon in the top left corner. On the website, click the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, open Security or Account Security. This section controls important protection settings like your password, two-factor authentication, email verification, authenticator app, and phone number. Look for the option called Phone Number, SMS Authentication, or Phone Verification. Tap or click it, then choose Change, Edit, or Remove and Replace, depending on what appears on your screen. Binance will now ask you to complete security verification. This may include entering a code sent to your current phone number, your email address, or your authenticator app. Enter each code carefully and continue to the next step. After that, type in your new phone number. Make sure you select the correct country code before entering the number. For example, choose the country code first, then enter the phone number without unnecessary spaces or extra symbols. Binance will send a verification code to your new phone number. Enter the code on the screen to confirm that you have access to the new number. Before you submit the change, review everything one more time. Make sure the new number is correct because it may be used for login verification, withdrawals, password resets, and security alerts. Once confirmed, your Binance phone number will be updated. In some cases, Binance may temporarily restrict withdrawals after changing security settings. This is normal and helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. If you no longer have access to your old phone number, look for an option like security verification, unavailable, or lost access to phone number. Binance may ask you to complete identity verification again before allowing the change. After updating your phone number, check your security settings and make sure your email, authenticator app, and anti-phishing code are also active. And that's how you change your phone number in Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.